Hey everyone, so today I wanted to share a quick tip for how you can zoom in to a published storyline output using hotkeys or your browser settings. So the one caveat here is that you need to use the modern player because the modern player is accessible and will be agreeable to this. So the modern player is the default, and the classic player is the one that this likely will not work as smoothly with. So what I've done is I have this slide here, and I've just published out the output. And so we're just going to go into it. And as you can see, we've got it at the regular 100% zoom. And when I click my hotkeys, which for Safari, the zoom in is Command plus, zoom out is Command minus. So if I hit those, I'm going in or out. And so you can very easily make use your browser settings to zoom into a more appropriate size, which may be more accessible to you.